Welcome to the farm tonight. Pig on couch? Let's see if we can see pig on couch. Pig on couch. So anyway, I've had a horrible time filming this video. If I was actually doing this for money, I'd be broke. Anyway, Teresa from Stringfield Ridge Farms has tagged me in a collaboration on the 5 essential oils that I like to use the most. And I'm a big essential oil person, but I'm going to show you what I like and kind of give you a basic idea what I use it for. You can do the research and figure out what everything is actually used for. I mean, that's a no-brainer. So, first of all, the type of oils that I use are from the company Melaleuca. And so you hear of the Melaleuca oil, tea tree oil. This is where this all comes from. So I really love their oils. They're 100% pure, they're strong, they've got good scents, good properties. And when I'm doing my soaps, when I'm making my cow's milk soap, these are the oils that I use for those too. So, all right, so starters, obviously, is the tea tree oil, the Melaleuca tea tree oil. Now, from this company, it comes in 2 different strengths, and I really like this. This, as everybody's going to tell you, it's good for cuts, it's good for fungus, bacterial. You know, it is a must-have in the homesteader and preppers medicine cabinet. It's great. So that is obviously the first one to go to, and a lot of people use tea tree oil for different reasons. I personally use it for cuts, burns, creepy cruddy stuff that I pick up out of the dirt in the greenhouse. My Flash down here, her soap, her shampoo is from there, and it's for pets, and it also has that in there, and it really does really good because she has a tendency to get this orange stuff around her snout or in her ears, and it just boom, it just takes it right off. It heals it up. It's kind of a fungus little thing, you know. It's kind of disturbing actually. So anyway, my second one that I like is eucalyptus. This is the pure eucalyptus. I like to mix it with peppermint, use it straight, put it in my diffuser, breathe it in, use it for sinuses, colds, that type of thing. Plus it really smells good. So sometimes I just use it because that's what I want to smell in the house. Lots of properties there. Eucalyptus, love it. Lavender, that's a go-to for everybody also. Just talking to a friend of mine tonight who has a baby who doesn't want to sleep, and somebody had mentioned something about lavender. She was asking me about it, and I said, oh, definitely. Put a little bit of that in her bath, just a little drop in the whole bath. You know, whatever, it'll calm her right down at night. So on that note, well, one more thing. Peppermint, don't have any here. It's in the car. I use it for motion sickness. Sometimes driving with Mark, just doesn't work. And I just, if I'm not feeling up to par in the passenger seat or whatever, I'll just put a drop of that on my tongue, boom, fixes it. I mean, it's great. I love the peppermint. So anyway, as I was saying on the lavender and the sleeping, these last 3 I'm going to show you are blends. I am a big blend person. I don't have time to sit there and blend this and blend that and blend this. Nice thing about this company is they've got a lot of really good blends that are already done, that's got the stuff in it that you need. This one's called Peace. This is patchouli, lang lang, and lavender. So you get a really good mix of those, and it's called Peace for a reason. It's a very calming, it's kind of got that old patchouli hippie head shop smell to it, and the lavender's it just sits in there. The lang lang, you really don't notice it's there, but you get the benefits off of it. It's just a really nice, relaxing, it just jumps that lavender up a level. Armor is really good. This one is just kick butt for when the cold season starts in. Put this on, it's just like this nice barrier. It just kind of helps with protect you, boost your immune system. It's got things like cinnamon, 2 types of chamomile, eucalyptus, citrus, clove. So it's got all these in there as a blend, and it's just, now on these blends, would I ingest the blends? I don't think that I would ingest the blends. Are they safe to do so? Yes. But, when you start mixing things, you start getting different reactions. So I don't know that I would ingest a blend. I use those on topical or diffusers. As far as the others, most of your others you can. There's certain ones that you don't ingest. I mean, I don't care what brand they are. There's just certain ones you don't ingest. So anyway, the last one that I really like is a blend also. Wintergreen, spearmint, peppermint, little eucalyptus, I believe in it. It's called Blue Heat. This is your all-in-one Bengay or icy hot of the oil world. It's been a long day. I like to put a little coconut oil, take a little coconut oil, put some of this in it, use it as a rub on the knees or whatever's aching. Muscles, it really works good on muscles. So that's a really good one that I really like. I have several different things that I do. I mean, I use lemon balm oil, for attracting the bees, if we have a swarm of bees. Also, on a side note on that one, it also attracts those big buffalo gnats, those biting gnats. So you might want to avoid that if it's that type of season. So that's just kind of the basics on the main ones. Yeah, it was a little over 5, but those are the ones that I use the most. Those are the ones that I really liked. What does Mark use? Whatever I have him use. So he just comes to me and is like, I need this or I need that. What do I use? And so whatever. Don't claim to be an expert on it. These are ones that I've been using. Some of them I do use on the livestock. You've got to be careful on some things because certain animals can only use certain things. But other than that, appreciate being tagged in the collaboration. Thanks, Teresa. I'm going to tag someone. I'm going to tag Brenda from 1900s Homestead. And once again, I'm putting her on the spot. I want to see her on camera. So have my friend. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you on the next one from Dutchess Farm.